Alright fam, you see this camera right here?
You're just gonna put your Tesla key card underneath the camera, that circle, to unlock the car.
And then you can lock it back in using this card. Lock it back in.
So now let's go inside and I'm gonna show you how to start your car using your Tesla key card. So on your center console, there are cup holders. Okay, right next to that, that's where you're gonna set your Tesla key card. Just leave it right there. And now you can drive your car. But I got a code in here for safety, so I'm gonna put my code in, and then we can put the car on drive. So you're just gonna push down the lever, it'll go on drive, tap it back, you can go in reverse, and then press it on, and then it'll go on park. Super easy, right? That's how you use your Tesla key card to open your door and start your car.